Welcome back learners to our channel Ruchika Smart Education. Today we'll be learning about the different types of logistics companies as you can see in the slide. Businesses of all shapes and sizes utilize logistics services at one point or the other. Some businesses struggle with logistics especially during their expansion, growth or the fluctuating busy hours of the year. Logistics support can help you to reduce the money and the time you spend in moving your products from one point to another, and it truly allows you to focus on your core competencies. आप जिसमें अच्छे हैं आप उस पे फोकस कीजिए, लॉजिस्टिक्स का काम लॉजिस्टिक्स वालों के वो छोड़ दीजिए. If you're unsure about how to handle your logistics, kindly note it is quite difficult for any business to take care of all their logistical processes on their own. Most businesses simply don't have money, time and other resources to do so. Majorly, logistics companies are divided into four categories: freight companies, the freight forwarders, the carriers and the third party logistics, or that we call as 3PL. These are the 2 points you will be learning in this video, so I'll be reading them for you. A logistics company may be just what your business needs to effectively move your products. Shipping and logistics provider come in several varieties. Understanding the differences between the logistics companies will empower you to make the best decision for your business. Let's find out the differences between the four categories that I have mentioned. The first type is a freight company. As we can read in the slide, a freight company is a broad term used to generally describe a business focused on moving freight from one place to another. Some freight companies may specialize in international shipments, while others will only ship goods domestically. Depending upon the type and the location of the freight being shipped, the options for the mode of transportation is limited in this category. Goods can either be moved by airways, waterways, rail lines or the roadways. Some freight companies can offer you more than one mode of transportation, while some will have only one option available with them. The next category is a freight forwarder. The main goal of a freight forwarder is to find the most efficient and affordable ways to move the products. These types of logistics companies will not actually move the products. Instead, they'll be working with different types of freight companies to arrange and negotiate the transportation. Freight forwarders are often used when we move our goods internationally. As we can see in the slide, freight forwarders handle different kinds of activities like customs paperwork, any import or export paperwork required for your shipment, rate negotiation with the different carriers, coordination of freight handling and delivery. The detailed understanding about these points will be explained in our next videos. Freight forwarders will be a valuable partner for a business who are shipping their goods internationally. The expertise and relationships will likely save your time and money. The next category falls into carriers. Unlike the freight forwarders, the carriers will handle the freight shipments directly. They make money by moving the products around the country and all over the world. In most cases, shipments require multiple carriers to reach their final destination. The picture in this slide displays the reach of carriers throughout the globe. The fourth category is a huge one, the third-party logistics. Third-party logistics providers or 3PLs provide outsourced logistics for all of or a part of the supply chain logistics function of a business. The services and functions of 3PLs in a supply chain varies from company to company. Some will provide transportation and storage services to you, while others will integrate technology to your products and will handle all your logistical problems. 3PLs focus on the evolving needs of any kind of business. Depending upon the type, size and the services offered through the 3PL, they are capable of handling international movements, but majority of them focus on domestic shipment and their management. Kindly have a look at the picture given below in this slide. Let us take an example of a banana. A fulfillment company or a 3PL packs bananas, stores them, transports them from farm to grocery store. Boxed part in this picture is a kind of 3PL. Hope you all have understood the differences between the logistics companies. This is more of a browsing activity kind for you. Please find 5 logistics companies from each of the following categories: a freight company, freight forwarders, carriers and the third-party logistics companies. You can send your answers to the email ID mentioned in the description. Please stay connected as more videos are on their way. Many thanks for your time. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.